Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Quest, educational channel. So let's get started, the video.
Yay!
Mom, dinner smells amazing. What did you make tonight?
Hi, Ethan. I made spaghetti with meatballs and a fresh salad on the side. I know how much you love pasta.
Spaghetti is my favorite. You always make the best meatballs too. I'm so hungry, I can't wait to dig in.
I'm glad you're excited, Ethan. Dinner is a special time for us to sit down and enjoy a meal together. How was your day?
It was pretty good. School was fun today, and I got an A on my math test. I'm really happy about that.
That's wonderful, Ethan. I'm so proud of you. You've been working hard on your math, and it's great to see it paying off.
Thanks, Mom. I was a little nervous, but once I started, it wasn't so bad. It feels good to do well.
It sure does. And it's important to celebrate your successes. Maybe we can have a little dessert after dinner to celebrate your A on the test.
That sounds awesome. I'd love that. What about your day, Mom? How was work?
My day was busy, but it was good. I got a lot done, and I'm happy to be home now, spending time with you. Cooking dinner helps me unwind after a long day.
I'm glad we get to have dinner together every night. It's my favorite part of the day. We get to talk and relax.
I feel the same way, Ethan. Dinner is our time to catch up and enjoy each other's company. It's important to take this time to connect.
I like that we talk about our days. It makes me feel closer to you, and you always listen to what I have to say.
I love hearing about your day, Ethan. It's one of the highlights of mine. And I'm always here to listen, whether it's about school, friends, or anything else on your mind.
Thanks, Mom. It's nice to know I can talk to you about anything. It makes me feel really lucky.
I'm lucky to have you, Ethan. You bring so much joy into my life, and I'm grateful for our time together.
I'm grateful too, Mom. And I'm grateful for this delicious dinner. The spaghetti is perfect, as always.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, Ethan. Cooking for you is one of my favorite things to do. It's my way of showing you how much I care.
I can definitely feel the love in your cooking, Mom. It makes me feel warm and happy inside.
That's exactly what I hope for, Ethan. A good meal and good conversation can make the whole day better.
It really does. I'm going to finish my dinner so we can have that dessert you promised.
Sounds like a plan. Let's enjoy the rest of our meal together, and then we'll celebrate your success with something sweet.
Ending. This conversation highlights the importance of family bonding during dinner time, celebrating successes, and enjoying a homemade meal together.
Hey kids, thanks for tuning into Kids Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.